Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to solve this magic product grid puzzle. So let's dive into it. So we have these 9 numbers and we need to plug into 3 cross 3 grid. And the condition is that each row and each column and each diagonal has the same value. Product of all the numbers in each row, in each column, and in the diagonal is equal. 3 rows have same value. Similarly, entries along the 3 columns, their product is same and same goes for the diagonals. One key observation is that if we multiply all the numbers given, we basically get their product equal to 1. So this is one clue that we have to keep in mind while plugging the value in the grid, that we try to put those values in rows and columns and diagonal such that their product is equal to 1. Started with 6, I place 6 here and then 1. So these two numbers are cancelled out. It means that, yeah, 6 and 1 are used and their product should be 1. So we have to put third entry 1 by 6 and third. Eventually we get the product 1. Next I use 1 by 2 here. Since 1 by 2 into 6, 3, we get 3, so we have 3, so 3 is cancelled with 3, so we get again product 1, so 1 by 3 goes in this place. Let's complete this diagonal. 1 by 2 1, there definitely we have to put 2 here, so their product is 1. So 1 by 2 1 and 2 goes in the diagonal. When we multiply these entries we get 1. Now third column, and here 1 by 3 2, so we have to plug 3 by 2 so that when we multiply these numbers we get 1. So 3 by 2 goes here and their product is 1. We now left with only 2 entries, that is 2 by 3 and 3. Let's plug 3 and 2 by 3. In this place we have to plug 3. Since when we multiply 2 by 1 by 6 we get 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 is cancel out 3 to get 1. 3 is also used, and in the last block we have only left with 2 by 3, and when we plug 2 by 3 we get again the product equal to 1. All the entries, product of all the entries along the row is 1, and similarly along the column is 1, and the entries along the diagonal is 1. Puzzle is solved. Thanks for watching.